Discover the best 3D printers for beginners, hobbyists, and professionals. From high-speed printing to precision detail and easy setup, these top-rated 3D printers can handle everything from creative projects to advanced prototyping. Whether you need reliable performance, large build volumes, or budget-friendly options, this guide covers the best 3D printers worth buying today. Starting at number 1. Creality Ender 3v3 SE 3D Printer. The Creality Ender 3v3 SE is an excellent budget-friendly 3D printer designed for beginners and hobbyists who want fast, reliable, and easy printing. With printing speeds of up to 250 mm per second, it delivers efficient performance while maintaining solid print quality. The printer features CR Touch auto leveling and automatic Z offset, making setup simple and helping users achieve a smooth first layer without manual adjustments. Its Sprite Direct extruder supports a variety of filaments including PLA, PETG, and TPU for versatile printing projects. The dual Z-axis design and reinforced Y-axis structure improve stability and accuracy, while the 32-bit silent motherboard ensures quieter operation. Easy assembly, user-friendly controls, and dependable performance make the Ender 3v3 SE a great choice for anyone starting their 3D printing journey or looking for an affordable upgrade. Number 2. Toybox 3D Printer for Beginners and Kids. The Toybox Alpha 2 3D printer is a fun and beginner-friendly 3D printer designed especially for kids and families. Its simple one-touch controls, safe design, and easy setup make it possible for children to start printing with little or no adult assistance. The printer connects to the Toybox app and gives users access to more than 7,000 digital toy designs, with new creations added regularly. Kids can also design their own toys using the built-in Creator Space tools or import custom models for more creativity. Its compact size, Wi-Fi connectivity, and cloud-based features make it convenient for home use, while the included PLA filament allows users to begin printing right away. Reviews praise the Toybox for its ease of use and engaging ecosystem for children, though some users mention that print quality and reliability may not match more advanced hobby-level 3D printers. Overall, the Toybox Alpha 2 is an excellent choice for introducing young creators to the world of 3D printing in a safe and entertaining way. Number 3. Snapmaker Artisan 3D Printer. The Snapmaker Artisan is a premium all-in-one fabrication machine designed for makers, designers, and professionals who want more than just standard 3D printing. Featuring a massive 400 by 400 by 400 mm build volume, dual extrusion printing, industrial-grade linear rails, and a sturdy all-metal construction, it delivers high precision and stability for large and complex projects. Its modular quick-swap design allows users to expand beyond 3D printing into laser engraving and CNC carving, making it a versatile creative workstation. The 7-inch touchscreen, auto bed leveling, Wi-Fi connectivity, and Snapmaker Luban software provide a smooth and user-friendly workflow for both home studios and small workshops. Reviews praise the Artisan for its exceptional build quality, multi-function capabilities, and reliable print performance, though many users note that it is expensive, requires significant workspace, and performs best when all three functions are actively used rather than for 3D printing alone. Overall, the Snapmaker Artisan is an excellent choice for serious makers who want a powerful multi-purpose machine instead of owning separate devices. Number 4. ELEGOO Mars 5 Ultra Resin 3D Printer. The ELEGOO Mars 5 Ultra is a high-precision resin 3D printer built for users who want extremely detailed and professional quality prints in a compact form. It features a 7-inch 9K monochrome LCD that delivers ultra-fine detail, making it ideal for miniatures, models, and intricate designs. With a fast printing speed of up to 150 mm per hour and tilt-release technology, it improves efficiency without sacrificing accuracy. The printer also includes smart features like automatic leveling, AI-assisted error detection, Wi-Fi file transfer, and resin shortage alerts, making the printing process smoother and more reliable. Despite its advanced automation, it still requires careful handling due to resin use and post-processing needs. Overall, the Mars 5 Ultra is an excellent choice for creators who want premium detail, speed, and smart automation in resin 3D printing. Number 5. 3 Doodler Start Plus Essentials 3D Pen Set for Kids. The 3 Doodler Start Plus Essentials 3D Pen Set is a kid-friendly creative tool designed to introduce children to 3D art and STEM learning in a safe and simple way. It features a completely safe design with no hot parts, making it suitable for kids aged 6 and above. The pen uses special low-temperature filament that hardens quickly, allowing children to draw and build small 3D shapes easily. It comes with multiple colorful filaments, stencils, and an activity guide to help spark creativity right out of the box. With its lightweight design, rechargeable battery, and easy one-button controls, it is perfect for home learning and screen-free entertainment. Overall, it's an engaging educational toy that encourages imagination and hands-on creativity for young beginners.